Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do a review on some E.L.F products that I just recently bought. I did a little E.L.F haul when I bought the bite-size eyeshadows, and what I got was this $15 kit that included all four of these things. If you want to see what my thoughts are and my review, stay tuned. Okay guys, so like I said, I got this cute, colorful $15 kit from E.L.F that I really wanted to try, and I'm glad that they're all like small mini size so that we can try them. So first off, they're Super Clarify, a cleanser with clarifying niacinamide. I did throw out the packaging, so I don't have exactly what they're supposed to be for, but I can read it off. So like I said, I got the kit, and this was in it, and the kit was $15. It's still $15 on E.L.F's website. I wasn't really impressed with this, I can tell you. It has a very clean, soapy sort of scent, if that makes any sense. This is what the kit looked like when I got it. And this gel cleanser creates a gentle foam that lifts impurities from the skin, revealing a clean, smooth complexion. I'll show you what it looks like on my skin there. And let's add a little water so you can see how it foams up. It does foam, that's for sure. Like a little bit obviously goes a long way. The only thing I had on my hand was some banana primer. So it does foam up. And it just doesn't have like the best scent. It's just an okay scent. So not the best, but all of E.L.F products are cruelty and vegan free, just to let you know. So then after you use that, then you're supposed to use this toner, and then a mask. So, I mean, you don't have to do anything in any crazy order, but I want to talk about this toner. I loved that it was super yellow, bright. It made you feel happy. It says Supertone, a toner with brightening fruit acids, which made me think that it was going to be great. So it's a gentle daily face toner that helps remove dead skin cells to reveal a more radiant, bright complexion. Now that might be great, and I do give this to my daughter, but I really hate the smell. Like, I thought it was going to be fruit acids. This smells more of like old fruit, musky, sort of not the best scent at all. Like, I would have preferred a orange citrus. It's more of like a lemon fragrance, which is too heavy for me. And I also felt like it burned my skin more. Like I got red after I used it, so that wasn't the best for me. They do say that their products are paraben, sulfates, and phthalates free, so that is great. Next was the mask. This is the Super mask, and it is just a white color. I only used it once, and there's no smell, which is great. It says that it has soothing centella asiatica. So this is a thick gel texture mask. It's infused with anti-redness, antioxidant-rich centella asiatica, aka Cica, a green herb found in many Asian regimens. This made my face break out. I don't know why I keep smelling it, but I'll give you a texture. It's thicker, like they said. It's very thick, more like a lotion, and then it just disappears. I left it on my face for like 5 minutes, and it was red after I don't know what else is in there that maybe it just didn't do or wasn't reacting well to my skin, so I wasn't a fan. And then lastly, the colors are amazing. I do want to say the colors are amazing. Lastly is the Super Hydrate, a moisturizer with hydrating squalane. This is okay. It doesn't look like I went into it, but it's a very bouncy, like jelly consistency, which is cool for people who have oily skin. Like, it is very jelly, but then I feel like if you use too much, maybe it's way too much, like what I just put on my hand. But it is a super hydrator. They do say that. So let's see what they say. It's infused with squalane, a plant-derived oil that balances moisture and maintains elasticity. This lightweight gel quickly seeps into skin for a smooth, non-greasy hydration, which is awesome. I mean, it is starting to disappear really quickly, which is great for like a gel. I just didn't like it. So I'll probably just let my daughter use it since she likes the smell of the toner. I'm glad that I didn't get a full size. This is why I like mini size. This is why I like deluxe sample sizes, because you get to try the product. If you don't like it, it wasn't a severe waste of money. So overall, I didn't really care for it. I don't reach for it. I like some of my other toners. And maybe we could talk about that in another video. So as always, let me know what you guys think. Do you use some of these E.L.F products for your face or in your skincare routine? For me, it didn't work out, but I have really sensitive skin, and I feel like some of the extracts that are in there maybe just didn't go well with my skin. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Stay safe.